Hey, what's up guys, how's it going? It's Scudder85 back in another unboxing, and this time, as you can see, it's for EA Sports UFC 3 on the Xbox One. So I picked this up today. Really looking forward to playing it. Really enjoyed the first two, especially number two. I really enjoyed number two. So I quite like creating my own fighter and going through career mode, so that's cool. So as you can see on the front, there's Conor McGregor. And there's the UFC logo. So yeah, and then that's the side, and that's the back. And it says, "Become the GOAT." And if you want to read that, guys, you're very welcome to. I'm sorry it keeps on auto-focusing, it's been a pain in the ass. Xbox One X enhanced. It's up to 25 gig install, so. And inside, we have the fighting controls and the disc itself with Conor McGregor on. So yeah, that's my rather quick unboxing of EA Sports UFC 3, guys, on the Xbox One. If you like this, please do be sure to check out my other videos. But for now, I will catch you later. Bye bye.